Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Fizzer. In today's video we are going to look at Google Meet. In this video I'm gonna tell you how you can use Google Meet, how you can create a meeting on Google Meet, or how you can join a meeting. What you have to do, first of all, you have to open the Google Chrome and then we have to select this Google Apps button. I just click on Google Apps button and here it's showing the multiple apps that are provided by the Google, and for now we want to use Google Meet. I just click on this Meet. As I click on it, it is the very first interface that you see when you open Google Meet. Google Meet is very much easy. You have to do nothing, just you have to create a new meeting or enter a code or link for your meetings. I will tell you how you can create a new meeting and how you can enter in a meeting by entering a code or a link. I just click new meeting. Here it's showing me the option create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting and schedule in Google Calendar. First of all, I want to click on this option create a meeting for later. It's just giving me a link for the meeting. I copy this link and I can share this link with my friends, and whenever I want to join a meeting or create a meeting, I just have to share this link to my friends, and when they open Google Meet they have to paste this link like this. I have copied it and I am pasting it, and I want to join, and it's joining. And as your friends paste this link, they will also see this type of window of joining, and you can see finally we have joined the session, and it's saying we are getting things ready for you, and here it is showing the option ready to join. No one else is here. It's up to you. You want to present the things or you want to join now. For now I want to join now. You can see this window, and in this way you can join the meeting. And let me create a meeting. Return to the home screen. Now new meeting and start an instant meeting. It is same as we joined the meeting earlier. If you want to present anything, you can click on present. When you click on present, it will ask you want to share your Chrome tab, your entire screen, or your applications window. If you want to show your entire screen, you can click on this. If you want to show your Chrome tab, you can click on this. I want to share my entire video. Just click on this and click on share. Now it's showing that you are presenting to everyone, and also my audio is presenting to everyone. In this way you can present it. I want to stop sharing and end the call, and I want to rejoin the meeting again because I do not want to present my screen. I want to join a call. Now I want to join. As I click on join, the very first thing what you have to do, you have to add a members to your meeting. I just click on this and I want to add the pupils, and I write user, and I click on this email, and it's asking me you want to send email to this person, and I want to send email to invite this boy. In this way you can add people in your list, or you can share the link of the meeting with your friend and they can join it. And I want to tell you a very interesting tool that is provided by the Google Meet. Whenever you are speaking, you can turn on the caption, and whatever you are speaking, it will write each and everything. You can see on screen that whatever I am speaking, it's writing, and it is very helpful for other people, because sometimes if we have poor internet connection, then this type of caption help them to understand whatever I want to say. and you can turn off caption as well. And in message panel you can ask anything like hi friends, meeting has been started. Meeting has been started. You can ask anything in a chat. And now go for the settings. Here is a 3-button menu, or you can say more option menu. I just click there. Here is a whiteboard or open a Jam. I already make a video on Google Jamboard. It is a very interesting tool whenever you are teaching, or if you want to tell something to others by graphically, and Google Jamboard is one of the great tool that you can use. It's opening Google Jam for us, and you can see here is a whiteboard. When you click on this pen, it will show you want to use pen, marker, highlighter or brush, or you can use anything that you want. Like you can use anything, it's up to you what you want to use. But for now we are learning about the Microsoft Meet, and if you want to learn about the Google Jam, you can go to my YouTube channel and search for how to use Jamboard, and I will also provide the link in the description. Now change layout. When there are multiple people in a meeting, you can change their layout by auto, tiled means all the people on the screen, spotlight or slide bar. I want to adjust it on auto, and you can full screen, or by pressing escape button you can exit full screen. Here is an again option. You can turn on the caption or you can turn off the caption. If you have any problem, you can report a problem, you can report abuse. And here's a very interesting option about the troubleshooting and help guide from the Google Meet. You can see, you can ask for the troubleshooting, and more troubleshooting tips are also available for their users. And finally, and much important option is settings. Here you can adjust your microphone, speakers or your cameras as well. And here is showing about the microphone, that what type of microphone I want to use. To my PC there are 4 basically types, and similarly speakers. And here are the video options. Now my camera is off, that's why it's showing off. You can adjust the resolution. It can be up to 720 pixel, or standard definition is 360 pixel. And receiving resolution, that how you will receive other pictures. It up to you how you want to receive, high definition, standard or auto. And here are the general settings. You can report any additional things or diagnosis. In this way you can use Google Meet, and when you want to end the meeting, you just have to click on this leave call, and it will leave call, and click on return to home screen. In this way you can use Google Meet. And if you have any query, then please ask in a comment box. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.